Isa pa.
Merry Christmas!
Aloha! Okay, Merry Christmas! Si Papa mag-greet muna. Papa mag-greet ka, Papa.
Merry Christmas to all of us! Merry Christmas to all!
Wala kasi sa dito, ha?
Where's my gift?
Okay, I pray that you will have the Christ of Christmas will be guide to you the year to come. I pray that not single moment of your life you spend outside of care, presence, and guidance. Merry Christmas and a harvestful and fruitful and prosperous New Year. Merry Christmas! Aloha!